Yogesh Kulkarni, my wife Shraddha Kulkarni, my parents Venkatesh and Sridevi, my kids Vedant and Kavya.
When we decided to move to our new house, we had some theme in mind, that is simplicity. So we searched many sites on YouTube and went through different interiors. But then I found my friend's house decorated by Jay. So we met Jay and discussed our theme with him, and our idea matched. So we decided to go with Excel Interior for decorating our new house.
When we met with Jay, I think he came out with the very good ideas about colors, textures. So I think with that we got impressed, and we run through overall theme of the things, which we decided as to go for the simplicity part of it. Whenever we gone for the any texture selections or the laminate selections, Jay was with us. Second biggest point is that his team and whatever the energy he's shown, because of that in the lockdown condition also, they managed the overall work very nicely, and he delivered as per the timeline. I personally feel the best part of the house is the gallery, the way he has decorated. I think the lush green area, and it gives me the very nice me to feel, and it gives me the space for myself. And the reading book in the balcony is a really nice, good trim came true. I think that is one of the best area I personally like. He came out with the innovative ideas for the overall interior. For the kids room, he has suggested us to go for the separate beds for the two kids, and it gives a very nice space utilization and good storage.
My demand, Jay sir and his team have prepared well and decorative furniture for temple. In a small spaces, he has covered everything. I am fully satisfied with his work, and he has got some good capacity. His team also well skilled and cooperative. So I wish you best of luck.
We are very impressed by the energy shown by the Jay, also by his team who work together in every step of the project. I will recommend Jay for my friends and the family members. I wish him best wishes for his next endeavor. I think he is doing a commendable job, and I personally feel that he will continue to do that. Thank you.